Hello, welcome to the second step in the SOMAH application process, the Energy Efficiency Compliance Milestone, also known as the EECM. To start off, the goal of the Energy Efficiency Compliance Milestone is to have the SOMAH program administrators determine if the system size and incentive amount reserved are in line with SOMAH sizing requirements. The milestone is due 90 days after the project receives reservation approval, and there are two different pathways to complete this milestone. The first option is to complete a whole building walkthrough audit, and the second option is to participate in whole building programs. Each of the pathways will be explained more throughout this video. The first pathway option is to hire a credentialed energy auditor to do a whole building energy efficiency audit of the property. The cost of this walkthrough is the responsibility of the participant. The energy audit report must include building and energy use details and align with the details in an ASHRAE Level 1 audit. The SOMAH PA maintains a list of energy audit providers who are certified to perform energy efficiency walkthrough audit that complies with SOMAH's energy efficiency requirements. We encourage you to check out the list if you're looking for an energy auditor. The providers in this database meet one or more of the following certifications listed on the screen. The second pathway option is to provide documentation showing that the property has had recent or active participation within the last 5 years in any of the following: enrollment in a utility regional energy network, community choice aggregation, or a federally provided whole building multifamily energy efficiency program, a recent California Tax Credit Allocation Committee rehabilitation, or the property was completely constructed under the 2013 or newer version of Title 24. SOMAH requires documentation of whichever pathway is chosen, along with a completed and signed solar sizing tool. For Pathway 1, documentation of an on-site walkthrough energy efficiency audit ASHRAE Level 1 or higher should be submitted. For Pathway 2, proof of enrollment in a utility, REN, CCA, or federally provided whole building multifamily energy efficiency program should be submitted. In addition, the solar sizing tool document should also be submitted, regardless of the chosen pathway. The solar sizing tool document can be downloaded on our application process and documents page. As previously mentioned, the solar sizing tool is required for both pathways and must be submitted. It was created to measure and determine the maximum possible size of the PV system being installed. The tool accounts for this by reducing the maximum system size through accounting for electricity use reduction opportunities. The tool also ensures that solar systems are appropriately sized to account for achievable energy efficiency opportunities for the property. The solar sizing tool is an Excel-based tool designed to be a simple data entry tool that will produce automatic calculations based on the criteria entered. The solar sizing tool results will determine the appropriate system size and the maximum incentive amount by accounting for electricity use reduction opportunities, including cost-effective measures such as LED lighting. Only the measures that are included in an ESA or similar no-cost programs that the property is eligible for will be considered in system sizing for SOMAH. If the system has already been installed and the size differs from what is determined by the solar sizing tool, the incentive amount may be impacted. Here, we have an overview of what to expect during the Energy Efficiency Compliance Milestone. After submitting the required documents, the SOMAH PA will review it and have it go through quality assurance checks. If suspended, the applicant will receive 20 days to submit the necessary corrections. When all documents are verified, the project will either be approved or selected for a site verification. The SOMAH PA will conduct site verifications on a sampling of projects to verify accuracy of the energy audit report and the solar sizing tool. Please note that projects are selected randomly for site verifications. Once site verifications are completed with no issues found, the Energy Efficiency Compliance Milestone is approved, and the applicant can now start on the next step, the Proof of Project Milestone. You can download the solar sizing tool on our website. Simply go to calsomah.org, click on the Application Process and Documents page, and scroll down to the Energy Efficiency Compliance Milestone section. Click on Documents to submit, and you can find the solar sizing tool here along with a whole building audit checklist. And that's the end of the Energy Efficiency Compliance Milestone. The SOMAH PA is here to help every step of the way and ensure submitting your EECM documentation is as seamless as possible. For more information or questions, you can contact us with the email or phone number listed here. Thank you for watching.